In this section, we're going to see how to upload documents to your website, things like Word documents or PDF documents, and then how to embed these as downloads for your visitors. So the first thing I need to do obviously is to create some documents. So in this case, I've got a little document that just says what is WordPress, and I've got a Word document version and also a PDF document version. So I'll just get rid of those for a minute. Now, in order to upload these, it's very straightforward. Quite often people ask me, well, I know how to upload pictures, how about documents? Well, it's the same thing, because notice this says media, not pictures. So if I go to media, add new, I can drag those files here. So if I just resize things a bit, I'll select those two document files, I'll drag them and upload them, and maximize this so you can see what's happening. So there you are, they've both been uploaded. If I go to the library now, you can see, as well as all the pictures and things, I've now got two documents. So this first one here, that is the Word document. The second one is a PDF document. Now if I click on this Word document here, over here you've got the URL that specifies where that document has been saved on your server. So if I drag across that to select it and then press Ctrl+C, basically I can put that into the clipboard, and I'll just bring up Notepad here and I'll just paste that into Notepad. And what I'll do is I'll do the same thing for the other document, which was the PDF. So with the PDF, I'll click on it, and again I'll just drag across here, so I've got a link to the URL for the PDF document. And again, I'll close that down and I'll just pop that into Notepad. Now if I bring up a page, doesn't really matter which one, so I'll go to Pages, All Pages. Let's say, let's go to the About Us page here. So I'll go here and just click to add a new block. And I'll click on Paragraph. And I'll just type in some text like so I'll do something like that. Please download my What is WordPress document as a PDF. So what I'll do is I'll just simply select that text that says what is WordPress. I'll go back here and I'll select the PDF version of the URL, and now all I have to do is to click here and paste the link in like so. I could simply click on where it says apply, but if I want to, I could look at other options here. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it in a new tab. So it's a good tip, whenever you're linking to documents, open them in a new tab, so that when people click on these within your websites, instead of them going somewhere else to see the PDF or the Word document or whatever it is, the new document opens in a new tab, and then it means that when they close that down, they can go back to where you were. So I'll save that as it is, and we'll click on Update, and then we'll go to the front end again, and we'll go to About, and if we scroll down here, where did I put it? Let's have a look. There it is. Please download my What is WordPress document as a PDF. And if you keep your eye on the bit down the bottom there, you can see that links to the PDF. If I click on this, as you can see, it opens in a new window, and there is my downloadable document. So visitors can read through that. In exactly the same way, if I wanted to, I could link to the Word document. So instead of going all the way back again, I'll just click on where it says Edit Page. I'll scroll down to where it was before, and then I'm going to say, well, I'll just press return and say, please download my what is WordPress document as a Word file, something like that. So in this case, I'll go back, and remember I copied the URL for the Word version into the Notepad. You could put it into Word or anything else. I just tend to use Notepad. So I've copied that into memory. So again, all I have to do is select the text that I want to act as a link. So in this case, what is WordPress? And again, what I can do is I can click here, type in, or rather paste in the URL. And if I click on the link settings here, again, I can say, let's open this in a new window. So let's save all of that. Let's update it. Rather than click on preview, we'll actually go to the page in situ. We'll click on about. And if I scroll down here now, there, that's the PDF one. And again, down at the bottom left, you can see the link. And this is the Word document. So if I click on this, in this case, it's saying, well, what do you want to do with this? It doesn't automatically open it in this case. Do you want to open it or save it? I'll click on open. And there's the document in Microsoft Word. If I close that down, we're back to where we were. So that's basically how you upload documents and also how you embed documents. Incidentally, as I say, the link or the text that makes up your text link is very important from an SEO point of view. Again, I cover this in my SEO course. What most people would do is they'd have something like click here to download blah blah blah, and the words click here would be the words you click on. So that's a way of telling Google that the words click here are important. As you can see in this case, rather than linking on the whole thing or the words click here, the anchor text or the text that makes up the clickable link is what is WordPress. So basically I've packed some keywords in there, and that's kind of important from an SEO point of view. As I say, I cover this kind of stuff on the SEO course, and SEO is about lots and lots and lots and lots of different things, getting it all right, and then hopefully getting yourself higher up in the Google listing. But anyway, that's how you upload documents, and that's how you embed links to documents. And the other tip, remember, is if you're going to link to a document, always have it open in a new window or a new tab.